hit the button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And also like our Facebook page and visit our website for more tips to reduce food wastage.
Again, the information's below.
See ya!